Did you know anything about PHP and Laravel at the time?
Actually, not much. So I looked into this Laravel thing. I'm like, looks like it's very popular. This Taylor Otwell guy, he looks very well respected.
Bam, new Vue app and it's done. And it felt like so refreshing, honestly, for we Laravel developers. And it's kind of insane that you mentioned like you wanted something more simple. I totally relate to that because I remember like in 2015, we at the Laravel community, we were seeing all these new frameworks coming to the scene like Angular and React, and we thought, well, we want to leverage some of that reactivity, but at the same time, it was so difficult, man. Like we were looking at all these bundlers, all this story, it was such a mess. We couldn't like literally understand anything about that. But I remember like Taylor just coming with this tweet, which we are going to talk about in a second, where I just tried Vue and it's so simple. And it was like literally dropping a CDN in bam, new Vue app and it's done. And it felt like so refreshing, honestly, for we Laravel developers. And it's kind of funny that all this Vue story in the early days was so tight. It's so closely close to the Laravel community because literally Taylor tweeted that he was into Vue, and suddenly you have all this Laravel community trying Vue.js and asking what is Vue.js. So I want to ask you like about that period in particular. What did you felt when you saw Taylor's tweet, but also did you know anything about PHP and Laravel at the time?
Actually, not much. Yeah, so I think I did write a little bit of PHP when I was in school.
Let's
I did,
go.
like, maybe one project with it.
Okay.
I didn't use any framework. I was using it literally as a scripting language. It's like just embedding a bunch of PHP in HTML. That was it. But I like one thing I liked about it is like you don't need a very complex setup, right? It's just
No,
like
it
you
just
write
works.
the PHP file and it kind of works.
Yeah.
I think around that time, I Laravel probably wasn't as dominant as it is today because I think back then I still remember like Code Igniter, Zen
Yeah.
framework,
Correct.
a bunch of things like that. But obviously, it was still much bigger than Vue, which was just like completely new, right? So I looked into this Laravel thing. I'm like, looks like it's very popular. We might be
Yep.
onto something here. This Taylor Otwell guy, he looks very well respected, has a
Oh
lot
yeah.
of followers. So it's like, well, cool. So yeah, I actually I think I went to the 2016 Laracon. Yeah, that was like very
Yeah.
second edition probably. Yeah. And that talk was literally just like introducing Vue.js to you guys.